Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to share with you all of the equipment that I'm using to record my videos as you requested, and also I'm going to share with you at the beginning how I started in order to gain more followers and more views, as well as to have a better understanding of titling my videos and choosing the thumbnails for my videos. So stay with me. I don't know if you know or not, I am having more than one YouTube channel. I'm having 3 YouTube channels which actively I'm working on them and creating content and non-stop recording and creating for those channels. This channel, as well as I have a Persian language channel, which almost the same videos that I'm recording in English, I do it in Farsi for the Farsi speaking society, which is in that channel. As well as I have one channel which is all about calming videos, no talking videos, just relaxation videos, which I am not in there much, but I am doing all the behind the scenes like editing, uploading, everything. The name of the channel is the Lime Tree, which is ever since created was a huge success, and I'm really happy with it. So yeah, I'm so busy, so it's not only this channel which I'm managing, and you can just imagine. So I want to tell you what I'm doing in terms of using equipment, what kind of camera I'm using, and what kind of lighting I'm using, and what I do basically. Let me just walk you through all the things that I've got over the years of getting things and getting the wrong things, and then I happen to understand that there's a better equipment and to replace it. So I just reached to the point to tell you that you can get best and less expensive stuff and yet do great videos. So let's start by the cameras. I've got 2 cameras. Mainly the one that you're looking at me right now. I'm going to switch to my mobile and then show you that camera as well, which is Canon. The other camera, it's Nikon. Basically this is a bit old camera. Basically this camera is great for taking pictures. It's very professional. So if you really want to take your pictures, I recommend a camera which is good for the pictures. This one is great. The model is Nikon D3200, and you can buy a lot of lenses for this one. At the moment I am using this less and use this camera, which is great, but for picturing I use this one. It's great. So now I switched to my mobile, which I'm using iPhone 11 Pro. Is not a wow thing, but it's okay. I am now recording at 4K 60. So I'm going to show you my camera. I love this one ever since I bought it. I'm so happy that I bought this camera. It is Canon G7X II. So this is best camera for any kind of YouTube video recording, especially for vlogging, because the screen just turns towards yourself, and then if you put it on a small tripod you can easily see yourself very easily. So it's great. I really recommend, if you want to do YouTube videos, this is the best and really worth the investment. It's not so expensive, so it makes it great to buy one. It is it has a lot of features. I'm not going to go into all the settings and features, but I'm going to link down all the equipment that I'm introducing you at the description box of the video, so you can just check them out yourself. So one thing that I want to tell you about this one is the battery. I bought the second battery because I record a lot, and one is not enough for me. So while I'm recording and using one battery, the second one goes into the charger. So once this one is about to finish, I just switch it to the new one and put the other one to charge, because I all the time do camera and all the time do filming, so I really need. So you can always buy extra one if you want. So yeah, that camera is one and only for me, and I'm really happy with it. The other two things that I am going to tell you, which is a great tool that you always should have, it's great for YouTube and Instagram, is this small tripod and this tool, which is what you call it, the mount, like a mobile mount, I believe. This one is a very small tripod, but it's very strong. And if you need a small tripod to put your camera and your mobile both, you can use this kind of tripod. It holds the camera, it holds heaviest mobile. I just tried it, and this mobile mount is really strong if you want to. So the good thing about this is that you can either use it horizontally or vertically connected to this tripod. It just goes easily, and it's very strong. I always read the reviews and always check the product before buying, because there are thousands of mobile mounts and thousands of tripods out there, so you know, you should know that which one is the best one to buy, and you can just, you know, fix it to some place, or you can do it the other side, this way, and as well as your camera. If I want to show you, if I open this mount, which is for the tripod, you see this goes into this. Any camera has it. That's it, you have it here. So easy, and it's a really good tripod. And this mobile mount also, I'm going to link down all of these. And for the light, this is what I bought in a very good price, and it's amazing. It always works with the wire. It just gets connected to anything because it has a USB port. So you just connect the USB to your laptop, your anything that has a USB port, and then this side goes to the back side, so you never run out of the battery, and your light is always strong there. There is 3 kind of lighting with different colors, and also you can reduce or increase the light. And the good thing is that there is a mobile handle here, which you can connect your mobile, and then the light is there for a little bit of close-up videos. And the good thing about this light is that it just gets so tall, just as much as the height of yourself, so it's amazing. So I'm going to show you the light first, how it works. So you just fix it, you open it, you fix it like that, very easily. And I always connect it directly to the electricity. So I'm just connecting the wire here, and I'm using an electric plug. Just connect it to this and connect it to the wire. Just showing the light here. It's getting on, and there is 3 kind of lighting, like golden, warm, and white light. And you can just, you know, reduce it, and you can just increase it. And it's not like a tripod to just, you know, take a lot of space on the floor, so it's a good thing. Very stable, very strong. And let me show you how tall it comes. So you can move the light almost 360 degrees, and it's amazing. So these were my simple tools and equipment, which was not a very big deal or something so complicated, and I'm just making great videos with them, and I'm really happy. So as you can see, if you know the right equipment, you do not need to be so confused or spend a lot of money and, you know, go and buy all the very expensive one, and you end up, you know, not to know how to use them, or it's just ending up being useless for you. So I'm going to link down all these equipments down at the description box of my video. If you would like, you can just go and check them out yourself. I'm happy with them. They are so practical. Now let's talk about getting more views and more followers. Nowadays it's so difficult, you know, to have a YouTube channel and be successful and get really views and, you know, be there out there. So I know that it's very difficult to just reach to the place that you need to get monetized and, you know, actually make some money out of it. It's not that easy anymore because everywhere it's so saturated. So but one of the things that it can help you to just get out of the, you know, out of where you are, and just, you know, to kick you for a startup, and then, you know, to just give you a jump start, is an application or a website which is approved by YouTube. I don't know if you heard about it. It is called TubeBuddy. I started using TubeBuddy in order to, you know, get more recognized, to understand, to make better videos. So actually it helped me a lot in terms of getting more followers, more views, because it was kind of guiding me how to title my videos better, to get found on YouTube, and what kind of thumbnail is better for me. So it's really amazing website, and you can just be a part of it, be a member, and it just tells you loads of information that you will be surprised to know, that you like. For example, it'll tell you what kind of tags and keywords you want to use on your videos. So whatever tags that you are just, you know, suggesting is going to tell you that this is a good tag in terms of your video to be found, or it's not. So basically it finds kind of keywords, key keywords for you in order your video to be found among all the thousands of other videos. So it's a really good thing for people who are starting YouTube, or who want to, you know, grow to get to the next level. And it just guides you for everything. Let's say you want to upload a video, and it tells you what kind of title is good, it tells you what's wrong with your thumbnail, and it tells you about your description, it tells you about your keywords. It's really amazing, and it just helps you to get more views and more followers. So I'm going to link down the TubeBuddy website at the description box of my video as well. You can just go for yourself and see, and it's, you know, it's really worth it to just give it a try. This is what I did for a while, and, you know, I just got where I wanted to be, so I used it. It was so good for me. It will be definitely good for you. It has a lot of positive feedback, and everybody that used TubeBuddy, they were so happy with it. So go and check it out if you really want to get successful, and you want to, you know, if you're struggling and, you know, you want to get more understanding of YouTube video upload. So that was all about my equipment. So simple yet so practical and good. And let me know what you think. Until the next videos, take care.